Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix printer sharing not working in Windows 11. You will start by opening the control panel from the search box. After that, in the Network and Internet field, click on the line, View Network Status and Tasks. There on the side, click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings. You will see that settings open there. Confirm that the switch, file, and printer sharing is enabled. This must be reviewed on the networks available in the system. After you review this, enter Services in the search box. Open Local Services. You're going to select and double-click on the service called Print Spooler. Here, confirm that the option Automatic is in the Startup Type field. Then press Stop. When complete, click Start to make the service active again. Apply this change. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.